This video should give you a short introduction into the basic features of the Email Order System Pro for Sites. We have installed EOSP into this Cumulus Sites web application, so we can start by putting the files into the collection basket to order them. If you open the collection basket, you will recognize two new buttons in the menu. The first one is Order Basket, which brings the user to a simple order form where he has to provide his user information. The second button, which is called Order Basket with Selection, opens a second email order form that also allows to specify the number of files and a file format, which is very useful when you want to order printouts, for example. Let's have a closer look at the simple order form. The collection basket information provides the information about the files in the basket and the names of the catalogs the files come from. Of course, EOSP supports Cumulus multi-catalog collections, so the files can come from different catalogs. Let's put some more files into the basket coming from another catalog. When ordering files, you can also specify a Cumulus asset action from the list if you do not want to have the original file but a converted version. Now it is time to provide the user information. The email order form is fully configurable, so the Cumulus administrator can modify the fields used in the form and also define the mandatory fields. All the fields marked with an asterisk are mandatory, so if I try to send the order now, I will get an error message telling me to provide the correct information before going ahead. One of the great features of EOSP is the ability to find the user's metadata in the Cumulus users catalog if available. So if I use a user account that is already known to the system, I will get the form with my pre-filled metadata. Of course, I can modify the information, for example, if I want to specify a different shipping address. I can get a copy of the order to my email address if I like. Of course, I can also specify a list of addresses separated by comma. All the mandatory field values are specified, so I can send the order now. In the second order form, which is very useful, for example, to order printouts, I can specify the number of ordered files. As you can see, Cumulus field values can be displayed in the forms either. In this example, it is price information and a remark that comes out of the Cumulus catalog fields. EOSP supports different languages. It supports English, German and Spanish out of the box, and the language of the order form follows the settings of your web application. The Cumulus administrator can add more languages if necessary. EOSP also supports the themes technology introduced by Canto. So if you select a different theme in your web application, the EOSP order forms will follow these settings. All the settings of EOSP can be easily configured by the Cumulus administrator by using the EOSP admin web application, which is also available in the 3 different basic languages. In the web application, you can specify your server settings, register your version, check for updates, and access the product documentation. Click Configure and provide your email server settings, the email address of the person who should receive the order. The email order can be sent in text or in HTML format. A template defines the contents of the order email. Let's have a closer look at the order email now. It contains all the order information from our Cumulus Sites collection basket, which is the user information and all the information about the ordered files. The list of files in the email is necessary to find the files in Cumulus. EOSP also comes with an extension for the Cumulus client that helps to find the ordered files. It is an EJAP for the Cumulus client that creates a new menu item. To find the files, just copy the list of ordered files into the Collect Files dialog and click Start Search to find the files in the catalogs. Please make sure that the correct catalogs are open at this time, but Collect Files will tell you if catalogs are missing. It will also tell if ordered files are missing in the catalogs. You can also use Collect Files to copy the files into a folder. If an asset action has been specified, this action is used to convert the files before copying it to the specified folder. You can download a demo version of EUSP for Sites from our website. The product is easy to install into Cumulus Sites. You just have to copy the product's installation folder into the Cumulus Sites Customizations folder and restart Tomcat 2 times. If there are any questions concerning the product, please let us know by email. If you have recommendations on how we can improve the product to better meet your needs, please also let us know. Thank you very much for your interest in our software, and thanks for watching this video.